Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, the chart's holding up there. Now, today maybe wasn't the most exciting day, but from the bounce that occurred on Monday, the price is still staying within the range up here. Now, the range, if you didn't watch any of the past videos that I'm talking about, is mainly the key level of support that you want to see the price stay up above, right here at 950. And as a quick recap, why is 950 so important? Well, if the price breaks below there and then continues on down, at that point, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So you want to see the price makes at least some sort of form of progress, and 950 represents that progress, because if the price bounces and then heads back up, well, at least at that point, you'd have a low there, you'd have a low there, you envision those as stair steps, and there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress. But like I said, so from that point of view, yeah, the price did pull back today, but it is still, it does still have that opportunity to show the sign of progress by staying above 950. But what really stands out now, and this is the adjustment here that I want to make, is I'm going to go ahead and actually tilt this level down, because now that we have more data, it's become very apparent that this trend line here is being quite annoying. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see that goes back to Monday, but then right there this morning rejected it. Price came back up there, rejected it. So in any sort of movement back to the upside, I think there's going to be a lot of people watching that trend line and wondering the exact same thing. So I don't want to make it seem like my ability to draw that trend line is some sort of epic skill. No, quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts have drawn that trend line, and a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So again, am I saying this is a guarantee? Absolutely not. Guarantees don't exist. But is it a rational thought to have that if the price can break up through that level, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure? Yeah, for sure. So keep an eye on that trend line right there. And then again, from the support side of things, keep an eye on $9.50. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.